Okay, so when I'm trying to write the equations parallel or perpendicular to my special equations, the x equals or the y equals just a number, it's a lot simpler than having to like pick the same slope or pick the opposite flip and switch slope or whatever. So only when I am picking it parallel or perpendicular to special equations can I use this rule. So if it's giving me and telling me, oh, I want to pick it parallel to x equals or y equals, then I'm going to pick the same letter. Okay? So like if they told me, oh, it's got to be parallel to x equals, then you will write an equation x equals something. Okay? If you are supposed to be picking, whoa, what is it perpendicular to this equation, then you're going to pick the other letter. So like if they're saying, oh, what's perpendicular to x equals something, then you would pick y equals something. So let's look at this example. The examples. So number 3, what is the equation line that goes through this point and is parallel to this line? Now this line is a special equation. It's just y equals. It's not like it doesn't have a y and an x. So it said parallel. That means pick the same letter. Okay, so what letter did they give me? Y. So then I'm going to write my equation is going to be y equals some number. Well, what number does it equal? That's why they gave us the point over here. Oh, well, what was the y number in the point? Oh, well, we know the first number is x and the second number is y. So my y is 3. So the equation parallel is going to be y equals 3. Okay? Parallel, pick the same letter. Perpendicular. So what is the equation line that goes through this point and is perpendicular to y equals 11? Well, perpendicular, since this is a special equation, means I'm going to pick the other letter. So what letter did they give me? Y. That tells me pick x instead. Pick the other letter. Okay, well, x equals what number? So I'm looking at my point over here. This is the x, this is the y. I want the x number, that means -5. And this is the equation. This is x equals -5 is perpendicular to y equals 11. Okay, so you can go ahead and start the quizzes.